The airdrop that we spoke about yesterday has already announced their token generation event about 1 hour ago. They announced the date when the airdrop is going to be claimed, and on this video, guys, we are going to be quickly talking about it. So I spoke about this particular airdrop about that should be yesterday. I spoke about it, and of course I told you guys a lot of facts about this particular airdrop, and of course it was very interesting video. So a lot of people has already joined up, and we are actually expecting something maybe reasonable from this airdrop, but nobody really knows. But there have been some opposite, all right? So there have been some stuff which doesn't really tally with what we are talking about right here. So of course you all know that Telegram has actually rebranded Ton coin to Gram, and along the line we came across this particular airdrop called Gram, and a lot of people have been asking a lot of questions, which I tried my possible best to actually explain to them what they need to know, because a lot of people thinks this airdrop called Gram is basically from the fact that Ton has changed to Gram. Ton changing to Gram has absolutely nothing to do with this airdrop. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys some of the important stuff which you guys need to know so that you guys will be safer as you are interacting with this airdrop, because I wouldn't want to see a situation whereby someone lose anything because of this particular airdrop. All right, so without wasting time, guys, let's talk about the new update first. So over here, guys, this is the new update. About 1 hour ago they made this announcement right here saying that the Gram token launch, and of course they say something right. They say something right here. Our Gram token launch will be based on the Telegram. Sorry, our Gram token launch will be based on the Telegram. TGE should be Telegram. Should be based on the TGE by Gram blockchain. They are talking about Ton blockchain. Okay, we are coming Q4 2026 plus continue mining. So this 2026 plus is somehow really not tallying up, because why are they adding plus 2026 plus? Don't tell me it is next year. But according to the information we have right here, the the token launch of the Gram airdrop is going to be on the fourth quarter of 2026, which is basically around October, November and December. That is when we are going to be having the airdrop claim for the Gram airdrop and a lot of other stuff. All right, so let me show you guys some other important things which you need to know right here. So going back right now, this is our Telegram where we drop updates back to back. So of course I've already made the announcement right here, and also this is the tokenomics for the Gram airdrop. All right, so the economic engine of the Gram network is powered by its native token. The distribution architecture is specifically optimized to incentivize early adopters, sustain network security and fund ecosystem expansion. So this is the actual core metric right here. The token name is Gram token, GRM token, and the total fixed supply is 500 million token. And of course the distribution model is inflation capped, mining heavy utility model. So this is all you need to know about the tokenomics for now. And of course, scrolling down right here, let me show you something real quick. Now this person right here made a comment right here saying, do we have bot mining? I saw many links Gram mining, and of course Telegram went ahead to respond to the person saying that there is no Gram mining. Anyone claiming that you can mine Gram is trying to make away with your assets. So I've made this clear so many times that as you are interacting on this airdrop, never for any reason should you give anybody your information, or never for any reason should you spend a dime on this particular airdrop. So we are just participating on this particular airdrop with the full awareness that there are chances that this airdrop could turn to scam later. So as you are participating on it, make sure you are being very careful. Be very careful. All right, so I'm only participating on it because I saw some positivities on it, so that's why I'm even participating on it. So this is all you need to know right now about the Gram airdrop. So if you want to be giving it a try too, the link is going to be on the video description box of this particular video, and of course this is all I need to share with you guys right now. The TGE is coming around October, November and December, and of course you should get yourself ready to claim your token right then. All right, so it is very easy, guys. Keep mining. If anything comes out, we enjoy it. If nothing comes out, we still continue forging ahead. So it is very simple, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be stopping right here. Thank you, and do have a lovely day. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video.